The tax deadline is still several weeks away, but it's time to get started filing your return. The big question is, do you do it yourself or hire professional help? I personally have filed both ways, and there are pros and cons to each. Let's explore your options so you can figure out which route is best for you. If your financial situation is pretty straightforward, you can probably file your taxes on your own. DIY filing usually applies if you have one main job, receive a W-2, and don't have a lot of extra income on the side. Also, if you rent an apartment, claim the standard deductions, and didn't have any major life changes in the last year, like getting married, buying a property, or having kids. It's especially doable if you're comfortable using tax software and online forms. Many free or low-cost services will walk you through the process step by step, asking simple questions and doing the math for you. But not everyone's situation is as predictable or uncomplicated. If you're self-employed, work freelance, or run a small business, a tax pro can help you navigate deductions, quarterly taxes, or write-offs that you might otherwise miss. Also helpful if you have multiple income sources, such as investments, rental properties, or sales of stocks and crypto. Major life changes are another reason to call on an expert. Getting married or divorced, having a child, buying or selling a home, or inheriting money can all significantly affect your tax situation. And if you're dealing with back taxes, an IRS notice, or a filing error, a tax professional can help protect you, communicate with the IRS, or even reduce penalties. So when you start to wrap your head around filing, think about the complexity of your financial situation, and if it feels straightforward, give it a go. But if it feels complex or high stakes, hiring a tax professional is for your own protection. I'm Tsuboi. If you want to learn more about taxes, visit our tax coverage at CNET.com.